welcome to our channel Camkala. This channel is for photographers and artists who all are interested learning all the insights behind the scenes. Here you're going to see all the legends. They are going to talk to you about their profession, about their life, and you will learn a lot from them. Today we are having Asia's first lady chef turned into a food stylist, then a photographer, and now she's a food film director. We are meeting Sabha Ghaziani ji today. I welcome her very warmly. Welcome, Sabha ma'am.
Thanks, Archana. Thank you.
Welcome.
That's a long introduction.
Yeah, you deserve it, right? So, shall we start from
Yes,
your
please.
childhood? How was your childhood? How
My
was it
childhood.
started?
Okay. I was a very shy girl
Okay.
and very studious. And there was just एक ही दिमाग में था that dad wants the daughter to become a doctor. So the daughter is diligent, very obedient, and studying to become a doctor. That's how. Otherwise, everything else was fine. I was a rebel. मम्मी ने जो बोला वो तो करना ही करना है, जो ना बोला है वो, and things like that. But yeah, मार बहुत पड़ती थी मम्मी की, बहुत मार खाई हूँ मैं. But other than that, it's fine. It's been a normal childhood. Good studies, get good grades. Got into medicine after that. But it was out of Bombay, and my dad was like, "No, I'm not going to send my daughter out of Bombay." So that's how it was. I did my BSc, 1 year of BSc after that, and I realized that I'm not getting anywhere. I mean, कैसा होता है ना, when you all your life, like 10 years of your life, 12 years of your life, you are just focused on doing one thing, and suddenly that focus disappears. So क्या होता है? It's disillusionment. You don't know, you're lost. You don't know what you're going to do with your life. So that 1 year of BSc which I did, Archana, was exactly that. I was so lost. I was just like, I don't know what I'm going to do after this. BSc खत्म भी करने के बाद में क्या होगा मेरा, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है आगे. There's like a long tunnel of disillusionment, everything. Yeah, it was very bad. I went through a lot of mental trauma at that time. Basically, the thoughts were very haywire. I did not know क्या करना चाहिए लाइफ में, क्या होगा, why should I, what am I doing, you know. Then a friend of mine suggested that there is this college, catering college, there they teach you people to cook and you can become a chef. Anyways, तेरे को खाना बनाना तो अच्छे से आता ही है, तो तू वहाँ पे चली जा, तेरे को मजा आएगा. And I did my hotel management. I cleared it. I liked it. I really liked I loved the course, actually speaking. Day one, when I was there, I knew I'm in the right place. This is correct for me. And I did well, of course. I mean, anyways, I was one of those few, actually in my time, when I was growing up, almost all girls were taught cooking at home, घर बनाना है, सिलाई आनी चाहिए. So I learned to stitch clothes, tailoring होता है, embroidery, everything. I did all of those things. So I knew basic stuff and I liked it. It's not that I was forced into it. I liked, मुझे पसंद था. मैंने जो भी किया, I was very happily I have done all those things. Nobody forced it. Nobody could force it. Let's say it that way.
Yes.
Yeah. जो पसंद आएगा वही करेंगे, पहले से था वैसा. So yeah, I cleared my catering college with all the biases and non-biases that are there associated with the job, with the personality, and with the society around. That, like, possibly one of the first lady female worker in a 5-star hotel kitchen, working in a hot section. Yeah, that too. Like breakfast buffet banana hai, hot kitchen mein kaam karna hai, and did well. Enjoyed those 3 years. After while I was still in the hotel working, I realized that I can also do something which is called which I termed it as a food styling job. I can style. I do okay. I do well enough. I can make food look good also, along with tasty food. So I switched to food styling. Even when I was in the hotel, I would take I would bunk hotel job and then go and do some styling for someone and come back, and next day I would work again normal. At the end of 3 years, I realized there were 2 3 triggers that happened, Archana. One, it was that because I was a lady chef in a hot kitchen, some people wanted to take my interviews and show it to the world and whatever, whatever. That was one, and my hotel said they don't advertise, it is not their policy. So that was a big one for me, as like they are actually stunting my growth.
Yes.
They're actually stopping my growth. This is not right. It's not right. That's it. Secondly, there was I was at a position where I was too young for that particular post, executive post, and they said that okay, from now onwards, you'll have to fill in years and don't expect a salary raise or a promotion at least for the next 10 years because you're too young. You're young for this post itself. Forget the senior level. That was again, yeah, as you said, that's bad. Yeah, it's like, what the hell? Why? That was second trigger. Third was that at the end of 3 years, I was getting a salary of like 4,500 rupees back in the year 1994, 95. And at that time, as a food stylist, I was making almost close to 5,000 rupees in a day.
In a day.
Yeah,
That was a difference.
that was the difference. Yeah. So there was a friend of mine, he was a photographer, he Israr Qureshi. He only said, like, पूरा दिन पूरा महीना क्यों घिसती है एक एक दिन का काम मैं तेरे को दिला दूंगा. That's at the end of it, that's all that you want, right? You want 5,000 rupees in a month's time. That's what you're going to get in a hotel. I'll get you that one day's job. So quit. Don't do this. If you're okay, if you're done, it's okay. And also lastly, what was happening was that at the end of 3 years, whatever Leela could offer, the hotel could offer in terms of learning was done. I had done 3 New Year's, New Year ka buffets and everything. I had done for 3 years. I had done breakfast buffets and lunch buffets and all. I had made all sorts of dishes. I was taken to the Delhi for a food cookery show, which I had done with the one who wrote Prashad magazine. He's no more. Jigs Kalra. Yeah. So Jigs Kalra had called us over, and I was there in one of the shows, and whatever. It was, I think, for Doordarshan or something. So with all these things happening, there was like a lot happening, not externally, but a lot in my head, So I just decided, I think I need to take a stand for myself, whether I want to be here and continue in this field, which I like, or move out and continue in that field, which I also like. One is better paying, the other is not so well paying. One is giving me a lot of chance to meet people. The other one, I'm working in a basement. So with all those things weighed, I think the decision was pretty simple, easy. When I sat and I wrote all the pros and cons, and I quit Leela Kempinski, where I was working. I was on a 5-year bond. So they sent court summons.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I was just 3 years down. 5 साल खत्म करो नहीं तो problem होगा, और problem हो गया. So they sent court summons, and it was like, okay, so I decided that I'm going to go back. I'm going to clear this. Whatever are the dues, I'm going to pay them back. Whatever are the fines, I'll pay back. So I paid all of that. I took a clean clearance. I said, nobody coming with me now. I'm done. I'm gone.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's how I started food styling on a full time. I just got pregnant at that time also. I delivered a baby boy after a year. So 95, I quit Leela. 96, my son was born, and life continued. It was good. Yeah.
And how it was switching from styling to shooting?
Styling to photography. It was, I was styling. I was doing well. People kept calling me. Back in those days, there were no cell phones.
Right.
Nothing. It was just word of mouth. Even now, actually, within the industry, everything is just word of mouth. So that's there. But I was getting a little irritated and not very happy going home doing some stuff. There are some photographers whose work I still love. I just admire their work. Sandeep Matre is one, Israr Qureshi is another one, Ajit Patel is another one. These guys, I just love their work, but there were others who were doing it, and I just felt they're not putting in their effort as much, and I'm working too hard. So either you pay me more than the photographer, or else I will shoot it.
True.
I can shoot better.
Yeah.
I just saw I could make my food look better than what they made my food look good. It was not looking tasty. It was the angles were wrong and the lighting and everything. I mean, all of that. So I went and told my husband. I said, like, I think I'm going to go back to my hotel. It's fine. ये हो गया. It's like around 8-9 years now I've been doing it, but now I'm not liking this. I'm not enjoying it anymore. So I'll go back to hotel. I enjoyed that. So he's like, why do you want to go back? You are good at your compositions and all. I see, artistically, I just got it. I don't know. I'm probably blessed.
You're blessed. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm probably blessed. I just compositions and all. Even now, they come very naturally to me. Just a couple of days back, there's this guy. He sent me a YouTube link, telling me about that. See, this is the way I want the compositions. The triangular grid, or maybe opposite colors, or maybe complementary colors from the color
All the
grade.
fundas.
Yeah, all the fundas. And I'm like, oh my God, I don't know this. And that's just 2 days back, I'm telling you, this realization came that, like, oh my God, I'm like, I'm shooting. People like my work. More than 80% of food photographs on the pack, the face of the pack of most products in this country are my pictures. And I don't know this. I mean, like, that's a basic principle in photography, which I still don't know. I didn't even go through that video properly. I was like, no, this is very boring. I'll just do what I do.
So he was just trying to tell you the terminology of.
Yeah. Yeah, and not interesting. I mean, like, ठीक है, it's okay. ये तो मैं normal हो जाता है मेरे से. I don't have to work. I don't have to put a thought. It's a very subconscious effort. It's effortless, actually. It just comes.
It's a way of it.
Yeah, I just keep looking at my image, and they all ask me, what's your process? How do you arrive at an image? And I said, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Most of the times, even I have seen you working. That time you just try out one.
Yeah, I'll come. I'll look in the lens. Okay. The only thing I always tell people is that you have to see the picture not from your eyes, but with the lens, from the camera lens. In which angle you have placed your camera, how it is looking, and then start doing the changes and tweaks and whatever. I take a long time to finish a shot. Really long time. Minimum time taken is at least 1.5 hours for the smallest of an image. But I need to see it. So I'll do something out there and I'll check in the lens and I'll take a picture and I'll see it. Back in those days, we used to take Polaroids. बहुत महंगा पड़ता था यार. But good for me, I was not the photographer then, तो वो cost मेरे पे नहीं आता था. I wanted to see. But also, yeah, so that's how my process is. I mean, I have not learned photography in the sense at all. My husband studied photography and he would come and teach me. That's how I got it. He says, मैं कैमरा कैसा चलेगा ना, वो मैं तुझे बताता हूँ. उसके बाद में composition और जो भी बाकी का करना है वो तू कर, वो मेरे को नहीं मालूम. So I said, yeah, fine. He claims himself as a non-artist. ये सब आर्ट वार्ट मेरे को नहीं आता है करके. बोला ठीक, मत करो. I'll do it. मुझे आता है और मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है. So that's how I got into photography. Instead of going back to the hotel, I went ahead into photography.
That's a very good step.
Yeah, it was.
Now you're doing films.
Now I'm directing also. Yeah. I was doing films even then as a food stylist. But now I've taken the entire job as a director. I direct the ad films where food is involved. And there is a new term, again, the first term, which was food stylist. In this country, I coined it for myself.
Yes.
It's like, I'm going to call myself like a hairstylist जो बाल बनाती है. I'm a food stylist because मैं खाना बनाती हूँ और खाना अच्छा दिखाती हूँ. So that was the one term.
Another advantage you have is you're a chef. So you know how to cook.
Correct.
And what are the ingredients.
How to tweak them. Shortcuts, long cuts, in-betweens. What is the process? वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. When you're doing an ad film also, particularly like, okay, you've got a pizza. The whole world shoots pizza. And practically, I personally feel every shot in a pizza is already done.
Yes.
There is no such thing as not done. So How do you innovate? How do you make it look different? Sometimes you're not supposed to, sometimes you're just supposed to do exactly what I have only done 500 times otherwise, but that's because the client needs that particular shot. So you just give it. But there are times when somebody comes and says, I just need something which is not seen before.
I remember last time you had suggested that wave
Yeah.
pizza
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that cheese.
Yeah, the
18
cheese.
inch.
Yeah. Yeah,
It
18
was
inch
so hilarious.
long pull.
Yeah,
Yeah.
long pull. And we
Yeah.
were just stunned ki how she got it right perfect in time.
Yeah, because you know the ingredients. I mean,
Exactly.
you know your food well. So you know that particular cheese will give you that long stretch. So you just give it.
So you just give it.
Yeah, it's that. So I mean, there's a new term which I've coined for myself. It's there internationally. It's always been there, but I call myself now a tabletop director.
Yes.
So yes, again a first. I think I can claim that I'm the first tabletop director in the country.
Yes, you are. Very proudly.
You know it. You've seen the growth.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I've seen.
Yeah. No, but I mean, formalized it and coined it and calling it. Yes, I think I don't have any research to prove it, but I think somebody can come and challenge me, and then we'll take it forward from there. No problem.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Coming forward to this is what do you feel digital
Versus analog.
versus analog and versus AI now? Is it versus or complementary? How is it?
Oh, it's versus for sure. It's either that or this.
Or this.
It's like that. You know, I mean, one doesn't complement. They are different versions of the same job. Okay, but it is again a natural progression.
True.
We did analog photography. We enjoyed it. It was a lot of uncertainty when you're shooting it because it's a film.
Yeah.
You don't know whether the light, if there are 3 lights that they're using, which light has fired better or which light is less or more. Yes, you read it.
There's a lot
Yes,
of
you will.
calculation.
Yeah, a lot of calculations. Yes, you're going to read every light, blah, blah, maintain it, but you still don't know till the films are processed and come to you.
Sure.
Yeah, a good photographer is only as good as its last job. और वो last job खराब हो गया तो तुम्हारी लग गई. Yeah, it's like band बज गई. It's always like that. But then after that, so I'm sure in the entire gamut of photography, some people who are innovators, they must have realized that this is an issue which needs to be tackled, you know, and we need to make it cost efficient also because clients were not, you want to see your image, you will always take a Polaroid and check, acha ye hai, and then do the tweaks, mark here, do the changes there, again take a Polaroid, once you're convinced. So for each one particular food shot or any shot for that matter, you end up taking at least a minimum of 3 and it could go up to 10 Polaroids. 10, 12 Polaroid. That was getting very difficult. It is not cost efficient because every Polaroid costs. And client would not pay. It's like, why am I paying for your experiments? Fair?
Sure.
Fair point, you know. So they did not work out. It was working out, but not working a lot of times. I mean, so getting into digital photography, I think, was good, was revolutionary, nice. Abhi to, with the help of so many other softwares, you will not even be able to make out whether this was shot digitally or analog. The quality is as good, sometimes better, sometimes cleaner, nicer, crisper, all of that, you know. So it's that is one very important. Photography has evolved, come a long way.
Yeah.
Archana, a
I've seen
long
a lot of
way.
changes.
A lot of
It's always
changes.
changing, yeah.
Yeah, it is constantly changing.
Yes.
साला एक कैमरा आज लो 6 महीने बाद उसका अपर वर्जन आ चुका है and तुम बोल रहे लाइक व्हाट द हेल. आई मीन अब मैं क्या करूं? It's that, you know. So photography keeps evolving and it is very positive. I just feel it's very positive for anybody to keep on innovating on lights, on lenses, on equipment, and just come up with better pictures. Oh,
Yes.
that's the robot that we have, Bolt. Yeah, Mark Roberts Motion Control, and thanks to them, I have the Bolt with me, wherein we can program a particular shot. So that's mostly video. It's not for still photography. That's completely for video shoots, and you've got this huge ass camera called the Phantom, where you can go up to 1,000 frames per second. You can shoot at very high speed, and when I say high speed, is actually slow motion. So वो जो nicely luscious दूध गिरा और ऐसे splash हुआ, and the cornflakes flew here and there. All that is possible only on that Phantom camera, as best possible. Let's say it that way. You can have slow motion. Speeds are variable, but Phantom gives you the best speed. Phantom ka sensors are really nice. You get crisp imagery, all of that. Yeah, without any glitches in the video. So yeah, so the Bolt is a robot on which you mount your camera. You program a particular move that, okay, this milk is going to fall from here. I'm going to catch it from here, see it drop and splash, both. And I can do this action. The entire action can be programmed and it will repeat itself every time. Same. 98% accuracy ke saath. That's what Mark Roberts. That's what Mark Roberts claims. So that's what we have, and we do a lot of great stuff with it. A lot of great stuff. Great imagery. It's a whole new Pandora's box open. कि अब पहले क्या था? पहले नॉर्मल वीडियो होते थे, उसके बाद में स्लो मोशन चालू हुआ. स्लो मोशन में फोटोसोनिक कैमरा आया, तो हम 100 फ्रेम्स पे शूट करेंगे. फचैक के बदले में फचैक ऐसा होगा. ऐसा नाउ अब फचैक के बदले में फचैक इतना स्लो होता है. इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग स्टफ. या दैट वाज हाई स्पीड, एंड नाउ with that high speed, so when we were doing high speed at that time, slow motion shots and all that stuff, camera was static. Now I move the camera that fast. It moves at the speed of 3 meters per second.
That's nice.
Close to 9 feet per second. It's like, boom, it just goes there. It's fast. We try to cheat gravity. So when the milk is dropping, or when anything is pouring down, you have to come down, reach down before it reaches down to catch the impact. And you can program these things. I'm not saying that the Bolt moves faster than gravity, but we can cheat. We can program it in such a way that we will see the impact.
So you learned all that programming for this.
Yeah, I know, man.
That's nice.
Yeah. I know. I always feel that if I can do it, I think anybody can do it. And at the age of 50, if I can learn to operate a robot, तो फिर तो क्या ही बात है. सोने पे सुहागा, मजा, full मजा.
So being in food industry, I feel many of the ladies who are cooking, they want to have their food blogs, or they want to learn photography. So what would be your advice to them, or how you will guide them to come into this field?
Cook tasty food, and cook. Never overcook your food. Cook it correct. And when you're planning your menus or recipes that you want to shoot, ensure that the colors are nice in it. Ensure that the ingredients are fresh. Ensure that जो गार्निश आप डाल रहे हो वो फ्रिज में से निकाल के हरा धनिया चॉप करके नहीं डाल दिया. Put your green leaves in water, let it become crisp एकदम, and then just one tuck, and shoot it cherry on top. Make it good looking. I mean, it's easy. It's not rocket science really. It's a lot of common sense. It comes when you get into it. It comes. If you don't have a photography setup, lights and all that, you want to just do it on your phone, then the best place to shoot is the food plate जो भी बनाया है आपने, आपकी घर की खिड़की पे रख दो और शूट कर लो बस. It's best. Don't have daylight is the best thing. Preferably 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the evening is even better, because there's a cross light.
45 degrees.
45-degree cross light. It's best, and keep it behind. So just have the food in front and just shoot it. I mean, it's easy. It's very easy to make food look good, really. I'm not saying it because I've done it so many years. I know this. It is very easy. It just requires a lot of common sense.
True.
That's what it is.
So what your field has given you, what you feel?
Immense job satisfaction.
Yes.
I love my job. I love doing it. I love monotony. I love coming back to my studio every day and doing the same job again. The same pizza stretch again and again and again. I'll do it always.
COVID time you were sharing that day.
Yeah.
You just went on shooting sugar.
Anything. Whatever I got, I just shot. I'll go to the market. Okay, आज बटाटा मिल रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है बटाटा. Let's get potatoes. Let's make something out of potatoes. Let's shoot raw potatoes, peeled potatoes, sliced potatoes, cooked potatoes, jacket baked potatoes, whatever you want. just let's shoot potatoes aaj. Yeah,
If
so
you're passionate, you can
हाँ,
do
you
whatever
can do whatever you
Yeah.
want. Potato, उसमें क्या है? It's nice. I mean, COVID time was very trying time. There was not much work, but I was working.
Yes.
There was
That is
not
the
much.
positive thing.
Yeah, I worked. I came to my studio every day. But the good part was this was used to be my home, my
Yes.
studio.
Yeah.
So technically I was working from home. Nobody could tell me यहाँ पे बांध काम बंद करो करके. मैं बोलेगा तेरी माँ की आँख तू घर जा तेरे. मैं मेरे घर में हूँ. मैं मेरे घर से काम कर रही हूँ जो कि which is allowed. बात खत्म. So that was there. I mean, there were a lot of these challenges during COVID, but fun. It was nice. It was good. It
I
was
know
good. Those 2
you were
years.
also sharing that your staff was actually staying near
Yes.
you. So that,
Yeah.
you know, like,
We were all one big family.
There were a lot of problems outside and it was all fun inside.
It was all fun inside.
So it was really nice to know you after such a long time we met, and it was very inspiring story. I hope everybody will learn a lesson from this and they try to focus on their points you suggested, and their work will improve.
And then the last thing that I want to just mention about is AI. You mentioned AI and I
Right.
forgot to touch that. So AI is something, again, it is just a tool. Make use of it. Do not become its slave. Till such time that they all say that AI is going to start thinking independently and will take over your brains. जब तक वो नहीं होता है भाई, उसको अपने नीचे रख और उसके साथ उसको काम करा. It will only improve your work. If you are smart enough, it will just improve your work. There is no way the talent can go anywhere else. AI is right now only doing repeat stuff. AI is not doing new stuff. Sad part is that people are okay seeing repeat stuff, which is sad. Sad part is that not many people want new stuff. They just want to see what they've already seen before.
And many are manipulating also.
Yeah, exactly. But AI is a tool. Just use it like a tool. As of now, I mean, I do that. I just use it in some way, somewhere or the other. Okay, ठीक है, background बनाना है, Mid Journey में बना के use कर लो, खत्म. It's like that. But other than that, I'm not very worried that AI is going to take my job. People can worry. I will take away everybody else's job. I will make all the films in AI.
That's
So-
very, very positive note.
Yeah, exactly. There's a friend of mine, he had told me, I think 2019 or something, he lives in Poland and he got into AI and virtual filming and all. And then I would say like, आइला यार ये सब आगे चल के तो ये तो और खराब हो जाने वाला है ना, मतलब things are going to get really bad, people will become slaves of the machine and all that stuff. I wonder who's going to do all of this, yeah? So he had said, मैं करूँगा. Like, wow. So that's when I said like, अगर तू कर सकता है तो फिर मैं भी कर सकती हूँ ना.
Exactly. We
मैं
should
भी
take it
करूँगी.
positively.
Yeah.
We should make use of that technology
Yeah.
and improve.
And improve your craft.
Yeah.
Improve your work, improve your craft. New people who want to get into AI and filmmaking or food filmmaking particularly, you will never get it till you know food. You will never get it till you know photography. You will never get it if you don't know how to conceive food shots and video.
Right.
So to learn these are the things that you need to learn. AI will only help you improvise on these things. But पहले आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, पहले आपको खाना बनाना सीखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद सजेगा. Yeah.
नहीं, आजकल तो ऐसा होता है, कोई होटल निकला है तो वहाँ पे जाके बोलते हैं हम फूड ब्लॉगर हैं, हम आपका फूड ट्राई करेंगे, आपका शूट करके देंगे, आपका मार्केटिंग करके देंगे, एंड दे बिकम अ फूड फोटोग्राफर. सो इज दैट
गुड फॉर देम. अगर वो जॉब मिल जाता है तो आई वुड से गुड फॉर देम. अच्छा है, मुझे वो नहीं करना है. आई एम फाइन, आई एम हैप्पी दिस वे.
So
I'm
you
happy
are
doing it.
24/7 working, so that's a good.
Yeah. Yeah,
part of it.
24/7 working.
Yeah.
Instagram पे I don't watch reels. I am just forever
We
only
watch your
watching.
reels and we
Oh.
learn a lot. You working on so many
many
different
products,
things,
yeah.
different products, different. Now you will be shooting some rice.
Yeah, 12 different rice films.
Some
Yes.
biryani. I don't know. N number of things are happening with you every day. It's just food, but there's so much variety.
Yeah, there's so much fun. Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm very thankful you could devote some time for our channel.
Thank you so much,
and,
Archana, for
being with
getting me
us.
here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Do listen and do follow the channel and please
Like,
promote
share,
it.
subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. hit the bell icon. They all say all these things. Now, वो तुम वो आप कर लेना, please. Yeah. Archana is a great friend of mine, and I really love the way she works and teaches people new stuff in photography, in art, in every form of in every art form. And she's very hardworking. She's very dedicated. She loves her kids, her students, and I think this is a very good initiative. She's finally starting.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
All good. Bye bye.
All good. Wow.